back here on Bryan 64, Imperial by Chrysler. Last time, if you recall, and you should, because you probably just watched that video before this one, we had a vacuum leak here at this corner. Well, gasket's kind of torn, and it's kind of icky. I need to clean this baby up. Ugh. But we got new gaskets. I got like the thinner paper ones, and I always double them. But we're gonna go razor blade, sprucey. And hopefully we won't have no more vacuum leaks. All right, we've cleaned our gasket surfaces. I'm gonna throw in our new gaskets. Put this baby back together. So I've determined why we've had our vacuum leak. Please note, I have multiples. I buy extra of everything. Front, on the wider part of the base gasket. This was in the front on the car. You can see, go back in the video, you can see it. I actually went and took a screenshot of it. I'll actually add that in here. Yeah, so somebody fucked up because I can't read that it says front on the front, or they just don't pay any fucking attention, which is normal. But yeah, that would definitely make a vacuum leak. Just a bit. Remember, boys and girls, it's not hard to just follow directions and do the job right. But now, somebody didn't pay attention when they did the job previously, and now it costs Bryan time and materials to have me redo it correctly after he paid them to do it correctly. So maybe he will send these videos to whoever did this, and they can reimburse him for my invoice, or credit him, or pay him back on their invoice. That'd be nice. Will it happen? Probably not, because people don't care if they do a good job. All right, everything's hooked up back together. We're gonna fire the car up, let her get to operating temperature, and go for the up and running. All right, yeah, I got a light already down there. I've already tried it once, but magic. Go vacuum leak. Out for a drive in the 64 Imperial. Drives pretty nice. Steering's so light in this car. It's a total one finger job. Well, after our test drive, getting it nice and warm, she's a little bit rich, and she idles a little bit low. So we're gonna do a little adjusting and go from there. So I adjusted the idle mixture screws all the way in, let her stall out basically, and I backed them off 1.5 turns on both sides. We're gonna do a little fine adjustment, and then we'll adjust our speed, and we'll go out for another spin. Alright, once we got our idle mixture figured out, I kicked up the idle speed just a hair. Now we are a happy camper. We're gonna go for another drive. Right, much smoother this go around.